In this first intense and unsettling confrontation Ring doorbell footage, in a quiet neighborhood, tensions escalate as two neighbors become embroiled in a heated argument that quickly spirals into a frightening physical altercation. The shocking scene unfolds as these two women grapple with each other, prompting concerned neighbors to rush outside in a frantic attempt to separate them and restore peace to their once tranquil community. In this heart-pounding Ring doorbell moment, in the serenity of their own yard, a family finds themselves caught in a harrowing and unforeseen turn of events. The distant echoes of firearm sounds quickly evolve into an alarming reality as the gunfire draws nearer, prompting the family to instinctively run for the safety of their home. In this perplexing and eerie Ring doorbell encounter, our cameras capture an unsettling and bizarre scene as a man creeps around at someone's porch, his actions and demeanor suggesting an unsettling state of mind. Displaying strange moves and emitting unusual sounds, he appears to be under the influence of something mysterious, leaving us to wonder about the enigma of his behavior.
It's us! Over here!
In this enigmatic and eerie Ring doorbell encounter, in the depths of the night, an unusual and perplexing scene unfolds as a lady arrives at the front of someone's door. Her intent remains a mystery as she fixates on the doorbell camera, her gaze unwavering. In a curious turn, she begins talking to herself, the words lost in the silence of the night. Meanwhile, the vigilant homeowner continues to monitor her actions, their watchful eye focused on ensuring the security of their premises. In this eerie and mysterious Ring doorbell encounter, a man approaches someone's porch. His intentions remain concealed beneath the veil of darkness as he engages in an erratic monologue, talking to himself without casting a backward glance. His behavior mirrors that of someone under the influence of alcohol or another unknown force.
Furniture in there, it will all be down there. And at 2 o'clock, I promise you everything. I don't fucking your fucking. I got millions on. Think I'm playing with you, girl? Huh? Alright, baby. You already know what's good, dog. Shoot your motherfucking ass. You better shoot me first. I will see you when I get right back, homeboy. We done. Mother, open the door. Here comes the cops. If they come over here, we gonna have to blast. You ready for 2 more? Then another one. I'm gonna fuck gorillas. Fuck more. I have 200 niggas over here, nigga. Don't make me send at least 50 over there, nigga. You fucked up, nigga. We done. You done. I'm gonna kill both of you niggas.
In this high-stakes and tranquility Ring doorbell encounter, our surveillance cameras capture 2 individuals innocently passing by in front of someone's house. However, their peaceful walk is abruptly shattered and an unknown gang confronts them, igniting a sudden and dangerous exchange of gunfire in broad daylight. The scene unfolds as both parties desperately run for cover, forced to defend themselves amidst the unexpected chaos. In this enigmatic and potentially unsettling Ring doorbell encounter, a lady, her intentions veiled in mystery, boldly walks up to someone's front door. With an unexpected knock, she momentarily lingers before swiftly departing from the scene. In this heart-wrenching and terrifying Ring doorbell moment, our cameras capture a young mother returning home with her baby, only to be confronted by the chilling presence of a gunman intent on robbery. In a desperate bid for safety, she rushes inside, pleading for her life and the safety of her precious child, as the intruder makes a hasty departure.
I got this! Stop! I got a baby!
In this suspenseful and thwarted intrusion Ring doorbell moment, our cameras capture a hoodie-clad man as he boldly approaches someone's house, his intentions clearly aimed at breaking into the property. With repeated and futile attempts, he strives to find his way inside, unaware that the vigilant homeowner has fortified their residence with security measures. Ultimately, his luck runs out, and he departs from the scene empty-handed. In this enigmatic and cautious interaction Ring doorbell footage, a lady approaches someone's front door. With a hesitant press of the doorbell, she awaits the homeowner's response. However, her intentions remain shrouded in uncertainty as the homeowner questions her presence. The lady claims her cat is in the homeowner's backyard, but due to security concerns, the homeowner remains cautious, refusing to open the door.
Hi. I think my cat it is in your backyard and he can't jump over the fence, would it be okay if I could go get him? Or if you could check if there's a black cat back there?
A black cat?
Yeah.
Okay.
I hear him meowing and I live on the other
Now,
side.
where do you live?
On the other side of the fence. It's like not directly in back of you, but it's the one to the...
In back of Eve, here.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let me go check.
Okay, thank you.
You can just stay right there. There's no cat back here.
Oh, okay, thank you. Sorry.
What's your name?
Sabrina?
Oh, okay. If it's a cat, shouldn't it be able to get over the fence?
Yeah, I didn't know why he wasn't able to, but he kept meowing, so I was wondering if he was hurt or something and he couldn't jump up, so...
Oh, well, okay, Sabrina. You live next door to Joe.
I think so? I'm not sure.
Okay. Two guys. Next door to you?
I don't know. I'm staying with my brother right now. He's the one that actually lives there, so I'm not really too familiar.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
In this tense and ultimately thwarted Intrusion Ring doorbell footage, our cameras capture a man as he confidently strides up to someone's porch and proceeds to the front door. His intent is clear as he makes repeated attempts to gain entry into the house. However, his efforts are met with failure, and after several futile tries, he departs from the scene. In this poignant and unexpected Ring doorbell footage, our cameras capture the plight of a homeless man searching for respite. He finds refuge on someone's porch, settling in as he seeks solace from the world. His intentions remain unknown as he makes himself comfortable in this unfamiliar space. In this suspenseful Ring doorbell footage, a man as he stealthily creeps around someone's house, his intentions veiled in darkness. He peeks through windows, his gaze searching for valuables or a way to break in. His covert exploration leads him from the front of the house to the backyard, where he attempts to find entry. However, vigilant and quick thinking, the homeowner intervenes, prompting the intruder's hasty departure.
Can I help?
In this enigmatic and potentially Ring doorbell footage, our cameras capture two individuals as they approach someone's front door. The first person confidently knocks, while the second lingers, concealing themselves, seemingly waiting for the homeowner to answer. After a period of suspenseful waiting, the homeowner emerges, and all parties stand at the door front, the purpose of this encounter still shrouded in uncertainty. As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.